As the US aid agency's funding controversy continues, the spotlight now is on Veena Reddy, former India chief of the US agency, with allegations being leveled by BJP leader Mahesh Jethmalani against Veena Reddy, saying that the funding during her tenure increased.
Wow, $21 million. I guess they were trying to get somebody else elected. Wow.
US President Donald Trump hinting at US aid interference in India's election has put the spotlight on Veena Reddy, the former India director for the UN agency. An Andhra Pradesh-born American diplomat, she joined USAID's India office on August 5, 2021. She announced her return to the US on July 17, 2024, more than a month after the results for the Lok Sabha elections were announced. Before joining the US government as a foreign services officer, Reddy was a corporate attorney in New York, London, and Los Angeles. She has also been a member of bar councils of New York and California, and has also served in US aid missions in Pakistan, the Central Asian republics, and Central America. With Trump's bombshell revelation, BJP leader and top lawyer Mahesh Jethmalani demanded an investigation into US aid funding and Veena Reddy's role.
Well, India should certainly make a request for further details. Whether there are only three questions which remain. An allocation was made, right, which President Trump, in his words, says were meant to bring about a change in government, and we should tell the Indian government. Who are the people who made the allegation on behalf of US aid in India, right? And three, who are the people who received the allocated funds? We will know when this investigation takes place, or where further information is communicated by the Trump administration to the Modi government.
Net funds disbursements for Indian projects by USAID rose significantly during Reddy's stint, jumping multifold to over $228 million or rupees 1,982 crores in 2022, the highest since 2001. According to the US State Department, during her nearly 3 years of tenure as the mission director, Veena Reddy oversaw various projects in fields of health, economic development, education, social services, democracy, human rights, and governance. India Railways, Ministry of Power, Niti Aayog, National Power Training Institute, and Power Sector Skill Council, NTPC, Green National Skills Development Corporation, Ministry of Tribal Affairs, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Atal Innovation Mission are among prominent government bodies that either signed fresh agreements or implemented USAID funded programs during Reddy's stint in New Delhi. Will the USAID funds and Veena Reddy's role be probed now? With Shubham Tiwari in New Delhi, Bureau Report, India Today.